Alright, so here's what's going on. Samsung was originally expected to drop the Galaxy XCover8 next, but surprise, they've taken a little detour and we're getting a Pro version of the XCover7 instead. Yup, the Galaxy XCover7 Pro is coming, and it's basically built like a tank, but with a Snapdragon brain this time. Let's talk specs, because we've got the full rundown from Android headlines. Inside, this thing's powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3. It's a solid chip, and Geekbench already confirmed it's the real deal. The display, a roomy 6.6-inch LCD with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Now for the cameras. On the back, you've got a 50-megapixel main shooter and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, which is perfect for grabbing group shots or wide landscapes without stepping back into traffic. Up front, there's a 13-megapixel selfie cam. If this setup sounds familiar, it's basically the same as the XCover6 Pro, and honestly, if it ain't broke, battery life, pretty decent. You're getting a 4350 milliamp hour battery with 15-watt wired charging. A slight upgrade over the last Pro's battery, but yeah, the charging speed's still a bit meh. Would have been nice to see a bump there. Of course, you still get that rugged DNA, which, let's be real, is the main reason anyone buys this phone. We're talking IP68 water and dust resistance, MIL, STD 800 10H military grade toughness, and even a physical side-mounted fingerprint scanner that works with gloves. It's made for people who actually, work in the real world. It's launching with Android 15 out of the box, running One UI 7, and for those of you who carry way too many files, it supports micro SD cards up to 2 terabyte. You're also covered on all the essentials: 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and a USB-C port. As for the price, it's expected to land around 599 euros for the 6 gigs RAM and 128 gig storage model. Only comes in black, just like the previous XCover phones. Classic, rugged, no nonsense. Oh, and it's expected to launch in Europe this month, so keep your eyes peeled if you're in the market for something tough but smart. Honestly, if you've ever dropped your phone off a ladder or into a mud puddle, this might be your next best friend. That's a wrap for this one. Appreciate you watching till the end. Peace.